Hey there, folks. All right, so what I have here, a little package from Foscale Models, and inside this box is my next project. So let's see what we got here, eh? All right, hope everyone's been doing well. Got here. All right. So let's see here. All right. So first off, let's see. Oh, cool. Making sure there's nothing, you know. All right, so from time to time, Foss offers a free kit with a $50 purchase. And this time around, we have Boyd Shakes. So these are just little quick overnight kits, I guess you could call them. They're actually pretty cool. So one thing to note with these kits, these free kits, they really don't come with instructions. As it says here, instructions not included. So you kind of have to be, have to have a few kits under your belt to put these together. But, they're small kits. I mean, it's easy to figure out. They have just the basic how it goes together. But as far as, corner bracing and stuff and, the bracing to prevent warpage, if you built enough of these kits, you figure it out. So, but that's cool. I have an idea for this kit, but that'll be for a later video. Also, it was cool. Hey, look, he threw in some free stuff, some extra stuff. And that's what's cool about ordering from Foss. Every now and again, he'll just throw something in cool, little something extra for you. Looks like we got a stack of tires, trash can, well, I don't know what this is. Oh, chimney looks like, and not sure what that is, but cool. Now, every time I order a kit from Foss, I always order some extra 1/8 inch bracing. I have tons of it, but it's like a couple bucks, and this just goes in my scratch building bin. Or, sometimes in a kit there's not enough the way I like to brace things, but so I always order this. It's a add-on thing you can order, and so it's always good. You can never have enough 1/8 inch bracing. All right, so let's see what else we got here. All right, cool, decal. See, make mistakes. That's how modeling making gets better. Truer words cannot be spoken. That's for sure. One thing I always say is every time I build a kit, I try a new technique on every kit I build, whether it be how I assemble it, how I paint it, how I weather it, and so on and so on. So every time, I always make mistakes, and with these kits, they're, some will say happy accidents. But yeah, that's cool. I'll always love getting decals. And then, another thing too, they have the Kit of the Month Club, and this is for his Patreon. Also has an awesome YouTube channel. Does a lot of great builds and gives a lot of tips and techniques and stuff. And so what kit did we get? There's no picture of it on here. Oh well. All right, I'll put a picture in. This is what I got. All right, on to the main kit that I ordered. So what we got here, this is Frank Leva Gunsmith. However, I am not going to build this as the gun store. What it's going to be is a pipe and tobacco store. And I haven't really come up with the name yet. It'll probably be Pappy's Tobacco Emporium. But yeah, so let's see what the kit looks like. Oh, nice. Oh, cool. Lots of details. A lot of metal castings in here. Some Tichy window orders. Yeah, Tichy windows and doors. And this is 3D printed brick. This will be on the top. Like I said, I'm not building this as the gun store. But what it's gonna be is, like I said, a tobacco store. So this is the Frank Lava Gunsmith. So this is to be used as like roofing tar paper, but as you know, I always use aftermarket stuff that I order. Let's check out these instructions. Yeah, this is going to be a fun build. Like I said, it's going to be a tobacco shop. But so FOSS kits are usually, they're pretty straightforward, easy to build. You have your bracing and such, and your corner trim. Pretty standard stuff. This is going to be the first kit that I build that is a wood kit with brick. Just about every kit I build has been, all wood. And like I had mentioned in the past, I really do not care for styrene brick kits because I can never get the brick to look good. But I think with this one here, Digger Evans Model Railroad showed some awesome techniques. And also Chris from Go Via Go Home did a live stream, showed how he does his brick work. And also, of course, Jason Jensen. But yeah, this is going to be a fun build. It's probably going to take me a while because, I'm a pretty slow builder. But yeah, and I already been scouring the internet for interior details of a tobacco shop and stuff that I'll be using, and also a bunch of signage and stuff. So yeah, and then this is the main packet of stuff. And like I said, when I start to build, I do plan on doing a build video of this. So there you go. Look forward to putting this kit together. Thanks Doug for getting this shipped out, and thanks for the freebies. And yeah, if you're into craftsman kits, building wood kits, I suggest check out Foscale and join his Facebook page if you do Facebook. If not, just check the site, usually around the holidays, Memorial Day and stuff. And he will, announce a free kit with purchase of $50 or more. This March 2024. These are fun little kit bashing kits too, right? So you can buy sheets of clapboard siding and whatnot, and you could expand this out. That's what I've used these planners and these kits for, as a starter point for kit bashing. And these are also good for practicing, techniques, like he said, make mistakes, put it together, try new stuff on these free kits, because you don't really have any money in it other than the kit you originally purchased. But, so yeah, there we are. All right, everyone, have a good day. Until next time, be kind.